I want to create a quick tutorial to show you how to actually import CSV file into your pgadmin. I was struggling a little bit to finding a good source of information, so I'll quickly break it down for you. So I created a table for my Twitch project. So this is it right here. So I got the file, I prepped it, it should be good to go. I don't need to do anything else. So you just want to make sure that this is going to be your columns. And now let me show you how it will look. So I stated I already have done it, so it looks pretty good. So it worked. So I'll just delete this and I will show you what I did. I will try to break it down to what I did over here. So the commands goes as follows. So first you want to put in copy, and then the table that you're trying to copy, right? So for me it's Twitch. See, it should match right here. I'll drop down Twitch over here. So that should be good. And then from, and you want to put direct link to where it's coming from. And this, when I was doing this before, sometimes what I would do is I would not put this in, and it would not find a file. And it to be honest, it's kind of embarrassing how long it took me to figure out why it was not working. So you want to make sure that you put this in. And then, since this sheet right here has headers, I'll put it in with the headers. There are some other options you can add to this. I suggest you should just probably read up on some information on this. There are some links. You can kind of navigate through the information and see what is optimal for you. But for me, I just needed this, since I just need the headers for my columns, and that's it. So this should work. If you run this should work. The only one problem that you might come across, let me show you. So when you run this, you might get a denied permission. It'll say denied permission. The pgadmin cannot get access to this table. So what you want to do is you want to go to the actual file that you're trying to import. You will go to properties, and what you will do is you go to security, and then what you will do right there, you will add everyone, and then make sure to give access, full control to the everyone. And then just okay, in this, once you run it, it will work. Just make sure to do that. Make sure to do this and get granted permission. This is two things that I was making a mistake in. And that's pretty much it. It should work for you. Good luck.